Hello everyone, today we are going to see how to create an appointment confirmation and reminder campaign using GoHighLevel workflows, which will make sure that your clients never miss their appointments and ultimately it will reduce no-shows. Also, it will save your time by automating the whole confirmation and reminder process. So for that, you will go to settings and select calendars. And here you can see the calendar that we created in our previous videos. Now I'm going to work with this particular calendar. So whenever there is an appointment booking in this calendar by a person, then that person will receive our automated confirmation and reminders. For that, you will go to automations, click on workflows, and here you will click on create workflow button. Now here you have two options. First one is you can start a workflow from scratch, or you can use one of these pre-built GoHighLevel recipes, which will save a lot of your time. So as we want to automate confirmation and reminder process, so you will select recipe appointment confirmation plus reminder, and this will bring up the GoHighLevel pre-built workflow for you. First of all, you can name this workflow. Let's say it's awesome flooring appointment confirmation plus reminder. Then here you can see the trigger, and all of the remaining steps are called the actions. Now triggers are basically the events that starts the workflow actions or automations, and these triggers can be form submission, tag edit, or appointment booked, or any other event depending upon your need. After the trigger, these are all actions. Now actions are the steps that are performed after trigger event occur. So basically this trigger will activate all of these actions of our workflows. And in actions, you can send SMS, you can send email, add a tag, or any other action that you will plan for your workflow. But for now, GoHighLevel have already provided us a workflow for reminder and confirmation in which you can make changes if you want. And first of all, to add a trigger, click on trigger. And here you will see event type is normal and appointment status is confirmed. But our calendar is not yet added in the trigger for which we want this automation. For that, you will click on add filter button, then select in calendar, and then you will select your calendar name for which you want this automation, and that is floor inspection and floor repair service calendar. Then hit save trigger button. Now whenever there will be an appointment booking in selected calendar, this workflow will be activated and then confirmation email will be sent to the person who will book an appointment with you. But before sending the confirmation email to your lead, you can assign this appointment to any of your staff member. For that, you will click on add action button. Then you will select assign to user action. Next in users, you will select the user to whom you want to assign this appointment and then hit save button. Now all of the appointments booked in selected calendar will be automatically assigned to the user that you added in this step. After that, another action that you can do is you can send a notification to yourself or your assigned user or any other staff member that you want. For that, you will click on add action button. Then you will select send internal notification. Then select type of the notification, that can be email or SMS. And for now, I will go with email. In from name, you can type in whatever you want, and in the from email, you can type in the email from which you want this notification to be sent. And if you leave these two fields as it is, then GoHighLevel will send an email notification using some default values. So it's totally up to you that how you want to receive the notification. Then in user type, you can select assigned user and then notification will be sent to that particular assigned user that we added in our first action. Or you can select any of your particular user if you want. Next in subject, you can type in, let's say, new appointment is booked. Then in message, you can type in, hi, there is a new appointment booked by. And here you can add the contact name who booked an appointment with you. And you can also add appointment date and time. And it will add the details of your lead information in your email for your convenience. And then you will hit the Save Action button. And here you can see an internal notification action has been added in your workflow. After the internal notification, a confirmation email will be sent to your lead who will book an appointment with you. You can click on confirmation email and you can edit this email if you want. After the confirmation, there will be a wait action for about 1 day, and then a reminder email will be sent to your lead that will be, "Hi, just a friendly reminder that your appointment is in 24 hours." And then there will be again a reminder email and SMS 1 hour before the appointment. And finally, we have 5 minutes before appointment reminder, which you can skip if you want because we have already reminded our lead an hour before the appointment time. So it will be fine if we remove these actions. Here you can also send internal notification to remind yourself or remind your assigned user about the appointment, just the way we did in our second action. You can add as many actions as you want, and once you have set up everything, you will save this workflow. And don't forget to hit publish button to activate your workflow and automatically send out the confirmations and reminders for the appointments booked in selected calendar. And that's it. Your appointment confirmation and reminder campaign is now ready to go. You can save this playlist for free GoHighLevel Complete online course. And if you have any queries about GoHighLevel, you can ask me in the comment section. For now, thank you so much for your time. See you in the next video. Take care. Bye-bye.